Well, hi again, everyone. Give us a thumbs up there. Something that worries me about this truck and old cars in general are the kingpins in the front end there, and the swivel pins or whatever you want to call them. I replaced these not long ago, but I've never really been happy with the fact that they can fall out, and your wheel might just be going somewhere else, other than where it ought to be. And I'm going to try to come up with some methodology to make them stay in there. Now, it has a steel cup, those of us who have done this, and you're supposed to put it in the bottom and hammer on it and do other things to make sure those pins stay in place. I have never been thrilled about that prospect of just kind of hoping and wishing. I'm going to try to come up with some other answer. I was looking at my video of stuff I did the other day on her, and I kept looking up there, and I put some JB Weld up in there, but I just JB Weld holding your wheels on or kingpins in just don't seem like a good idea. Let's see what else I can think of. One of my worst complaints is working on things on the lift standing across here. So I had this old closet door, and I thought, well, I'm just going to lay that down across there. And I finally found use for this, wildfire thing, whatever it came with. So I think that'll be fine. Be up a little higher and be a little bit more stable. And if I need to put another one on there, I got another one. I might just go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and put two on there just for the heck of it. Closet door usage. So yeah, they've just been sitting here, so there's no use in that. Let's put them to work. Okay, put two there. I think that'll be fine, and we'll see what it's like when we drop it down after I do this kingpin work or whatever I'm going to end up doing there. I got a couple ideas. Okay. Well, put something to work. Don't let it just sit there. Okay, so here's our point of contention, is right here. Everywhere I go, sun's in my eyes. Dadgummit. I was sort of thinking of running a little band or something of these metal bits here from this nut, making a cradle, and going over to this one. There's some pretty big stuff back there, but if I loosen that, I may end up having to take the wheel off, which is no big deal. What are you going to do here? You got that brake line up there. Let me think about this for just a short minute here. I almost don't care if I got to take the wheel off. What do you think those are? Those are about 5/8 or something, maybe bigger. I don't know. Okay, I think I got an answer. I kind of measured these. I made two of them, of course. And then we got some of these. I thought I had another one somewhere. There. I'll find it. I'll find one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use two screws on each one of these. Oh, I know where I put it. So I'm going to put these around there, and I'm going to hold them in there with a vice grip and make some marks with my little blue Sharpie. And then we're going to do a little pre-drilling. See, drill bit right there, and we're going to try to do it that way. I think that'll be okay. Even if this hits something, it'll give a little bit. It's just like a little safety strap is probably the best way to say it. All right, let's get it up there. Let me go get that other screw. I think I put it over here. And then these are kind of dangerous little mothers. You got to kind of keep up with them. These self-tappers. But these, I like giving them a little bit of a boost. So let's put it up there and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I got it up there, and I think it's going to be just fine. So you can tell I got a vice grip there. So we're going to make a little mark here, And I'm going to make a little mark here. So if you can get, and then just put one across there. So you'll kind of know where to key it. And then we'll put one there just for the heck of it. I got through because there's already a hole there. Alright, well let's do a little bit of pre-drilling. And we're going to take this off and drill it on, off the vehicle. So just a little easier that way. It's easy to fit. Wasn't a bad idea, really. I don't think. Let's go get a drill. That'd be helpful. Okay. Okay, I got a couple of pilot drills holding. I'm going to go drilled, and I'll go ahead and I'll put these in, and we'll set it up and see how it goes. Okay, so you get one in. Okay, and then do the other one, and we'll be sitting in heaven at last. Okay. I don't know why it's not focusing. You get it. I got my camera between my legs here, so I don't want to drop it. Okay, well, I got it going here. So here we go. Oh, well, it's always something in it. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. So then get your little furniture on the mend hammer here. And just tap it on. I'm okay with that. Now, what I'm going to do now is sort of bend it up and sort of tighten it on there. See, there's a little lip right here. So all you got to do is to tighten it would be get your vice grips and just twist it right here. Just like, twist it. That's all you got to do. And just make sure it's set all the way back as far as it'll go. And then we'll kind of call that a night, because I mean there's not much else on the other side that's going to be any different. So let's get it tapped back and turn, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I put the vice grips in there, and I just got a screwdriver, and you can see I'm hooked in down here. I think you can give that some go juice there. All right, let's see what it looks like. See, it's twisted. It's got a Z-bend in it, and it's right here. And I'm going to try to do the same over here. And we'll get it hooked in on both sides. And that'd be great. Let's just see if I can just do it in real time here. Okay. Oh, just put it like that. It don't matter which way you turn it. Just as long as you get it hooked in. You put the screwdriver in. Oh. Okay. Drop the vice grips on your thing here. And this will do it. Let's see what it feels like. Yeah, that's in there nice and tight. Yeah, see it's hooked in here and here on those lips, and you don't have to worry about your kingpin dropping out on you on the way to the Chinese restaurant. Okay, well that's all I'm going to do. I mean, one's one, the other's going to look just like it. So we'll kind of try to keep this one short. So give us a thumbs up, and we'll talk next time. Thanks for being with me. And I'll think of something else. I can guarantee you. I hope I do anyway. Gonna try. Alley cat. Hadn't heard that in a long time. No, it's always easy to forget something, isn't it? Well, I forgot to check out my... So I got both sides done. That's good. Let's see what this is like. Make sure that's disconnected. Okay. So let's see what this is like. Say! Oh, I feel it give. That's okay. There's that thing underneath there to catch me. Yeah, this is far better. Okay, well, good use of them doors, because what it's going to do with them, because everybody puts curtains up now, which is better, especially in a little house like mine. So, okay, that works great. Okay, once again, thanks a lot. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.